Hi guys, so I'm on a holiday in Portland and out for a little morning ride. Morning. A little reluctant morning then. And yeah, I expect the first day I've managed, we're kind of coming towards the end of the holiday to be honest, and it's the first time I think I've had a chance to have a ride, whether it be really high winds. I mean, we're talking, let me concentrate on the ride. We've had 35 plus mile an hour crosswinds, which has made it almost impossible to ride, especially on, I'm on the Nosfet Aero, so it's a smaller wheel. It does take a bit more of a battering from wind and stuff like that, but it's perfect for this sort of ride. And yeah, we're in Portland in the UK, in Dorset, and we're staying on Portland. So I thought I'd take the opportunity. The one day before last, we've got some sunshine, and come out for a ride and go along the coast, and then go back near Portland's port, which we was at last night. This fantastic restaurant called Salt. Absolutely amazing steak there. But I thought I'd take an opportunity to come out, bring it along for the ride. This one looks like must have been an old railway line part. But what's cool is that it seems to run from Portland through Weymouth to Dorchester. So definitely think a automatic lights by the Aero, well done. It definitely looks like a real fun ride that we could do from Dorchester all the way to the top of the end of Portland Bill, which is the very south end of Portland, the lighthouse. And I think from where I am currently, in just outside of Weymouth, I didn't go right into Weymouth just because they're a bit funny about cyclists, like along the promenade and stuff like that, and it's still in season. So I didn't think I want to bother too many people. Now it is early, it's about 7:30, 8 o'clock, something like that in the morning on a Saturday, but you don't want to annoy people, right? So I thought I'd have a little explore, and I went down as far as, I think it's about a mile to the old port and the seafront anyway, and then from there it's 8.5 miles to Dorchester, and it's all like this. We drove to Dorchester the other day to go out and have a look round and stuff, and it's like this. It's cycle paths pretty much everywhere, which is fantastic. So I think next year when the weather gets good again, I'm thinking maybe a long weekend perhaps down here, or a weekend we'll get somewhere in Dorchester, me and the lads, and we'll ride from Dorchester all the way to the end of Portland Bill, and you know, various places in between. So yeah, I think that would be a cool little ride, to be honest. This is some really good scenery. Morning.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, so out for a little ride, probably the last one I'm going to get done this week. We've got a full day here today, and then we're back tomorrow. Be careful of this. That's a little driveway by the looks of it. Oh, that's where I came down. Just getting my bearings. This one's a bit of a straight line, but I took a veer off because it said coastal path. The coastal path is more the walkway rather than the cycle path, so they've kept them intentionally separate, which is good. Now there is a cycle, I think a cycle route along the seafront, but it's more on the road and stuff like that. So, but like I said, I just wanted to make sure that, you know, I didn't annoy anyone. But look at the view, and it's sunny today as well. Well, it's a bit cloudy but sunny. Check that out. Not a bad little view for the morning. Morning. Miserable woman. Some people are happy, some people are miserable. People are walking their dogs, but I'm being nice and polite. There's lots of sail things down this way, as you can imagine, because in 2012 Olympics, Portland, where I'm staying, they hosted the sailing for the Olympic Games. So there's rings up the top of the hill, and there's rings down at the port. Miserable cat. Little doggy's having a little bit of a moment. He didn't look like he was happy walking the dogs either. It's like, I've got up on a Saturday to walk, I should be in bed. But I think it's been about a week since I've ridden, so like it's taken me, it always takes me a good sort of 15-20 minutes to kind of get back into the swing of things. I've also took some, I'll put it on this video as well, because it's quite a cool little bit of video. We went all the way up to Portland Bill in Portland, where we're staying, and it's got like a really cool like lighthouse right on the cliffs, which we went up inside and stuff like that. But I managed to get the drone up. Now, considering it was 30 to 35 mile an hour winds when I took the drone up, it was very dicey. Luckily the Mavic 3S that I've got can take winds up to 40, although I really worried about losing the drone. The first time went too bad, and because of the gimbal, the drone footage is really nice. But the second one, I've never done a little drone trip as quickly as I did on that occasion. Literally within about a minute, I think I got the drone up, I got it to where I wanted to do it across this rock, outside this rock, and then I basically I'd brought it back again, because the winds were so strong. I really thought I was going to lose it, and because obviously being drone, you want to get like the best view, right? You want to get it you know, like out to sea so you can look inwards. So yeah, it was a bit dicey. that's not a bad way to start your Saturday morning, is it? So over there is Portland. We're staying down the bottom, I think a place called Fortune Well, which is like there's a couple of little villages on Portland. Fortune Well, I think Eastern, maybe somewhere up near Portland Bill itself. But it's not very a big island, but there's a few bits and pieces. But like I said, there's a couple of really nice restaurants. So Cove Inn as well, next to the sea, was also really nice. And like I said, there's ports and stuff like that over here. So hopefully we're going to ride round there a bit and see what we can see around there as well. Right, little view here, and then we're going to go along the road, or along the cycle path to Portland, and then go around the port, which is, like I said, it's really nice. It was nice watching the sunset last night. The wind has got up a little bit though, so we're going to have to be. It was about 20 miles an hour crosswinds today. As you can imagine, we're on a little island, or a connected island, so it does suffer from, as you can imagine, high winds and stuff. So we'll take it easy. We'll see how it's going to be. A little bit windy, so hopefully if you don't hear me, then it will just be video footage. The other side looks like walking. This is dual, and people decided that they're going to do both sides.